the web designing and web development are two different things in web building. Yes, I'm not creative, okay? If you know coding, then you're good to go into the freelancing. With the boom of internet in India and in the world, the skill-based jobs are taking over the knowledge-based jobs. So in today's video, we're going to talk about some of the top skills which are very easy to learn yet gives a very high paying in freelancing. So let's roll the intro. Video or photo editing. Talking about video editing, this is the most vital skill you should learn in these days, even though if you don't want to be a freelancer. Because if you know how to edit videos, then you can be a content creator by uploading your videos on Instagram Reels or YouTube. And learning video editing is not that hard too. Like if you start editing videos on softwares like Adobe Premiere Pro or Filmora, then I think you don't even need tutorials until and unless you're doing very high-end things like animation or shit. And talking about opportunities, there are also so many because there are so many YouTubers who want their video edited. So you can DM them. Talking about photo editing, there are also so many YouTubers who want their thumbnail to be created, or there are so many married couples these days who want their wedding photos to be edited. So you can use websites like Fiverr, freelancers to connect to these clients. So yeah, I think video editing and photo editing is the best skill if you want to start freelancing. Website development and designing. Okay, so before knowing about this, I should clarify that the web designing and web development are two different things in web building. And if you know either one of them, then you're good to go. But if you know both of them, then it's just cherry on the top. So in coding, web development is the easiest one. Literally, if you know HTML and CSS, then you're good to go. You don't even have to learn the programming language, which is the JavaScript, if you're not building a very complicated website. I'm a freelance web developer for more than a year now. And in the first, it was very hard to get the clients. But when it started and I got reviews on my websites like Fiverr and Freelancer, and then I was getting projects on the regular basis. I literally did a 12,000 projects in which I had to do just copy paste a website from the internet using HTML and CSS. And even if you don't want to learn the complicated part of the CSS, and believe me, it's not complicated. But if you don't want to learn it, then you can learn the Bootstrap, which is the framework of a CSS in which you have to just memorize some of the tags and you can just do all the things which a CSS can do. Enough of the development. If you want to be a designer, then this needs a small work, a little work. Because if you want to be a designer, you gotta be creative, and it was one of the reasons for me that I didn't become it. Yes, I'm not creative, okay? But if you are creative, then you can be a designer because it is one of the first steps of the website building, and it has a really good scope in the freelancing market too. Digital marketing. The ads you see on the internet or the social media, either take it Instagram, Facebook or YouTube, has its own regulators which is known as digital marketers. And the use of these type of people is going to increase day by day as more people are going to use internet. So the companies and yet individuals are going to have ad for their products or content. So it is a very easy to learn yet a very high yielding skill you can learn in 2023. The courses of it is available freely on YouTube, or you can use platforms like Udemy or Skillshare for paid platforms. And if you all want to know how to learn all the skills freely, then I have a dedicated video on it, which is in the cards here. Or if you want to know about paid platforms, then I have also a dedicated video on it, which will also be in the cards here, or I will be linking down in the description box. So you can check it out too. Anything related to coding. The world is changing and anybody who can solve a problem is going to be wealthy. Either take examples of great people like Elon Musk, Mark Zuckerberg or Bill Gates. They all are problem solvers and we need people like them. The data shows that more and more people are opting for freelancing instead of full-time paid jobs because it is more healthier and economically good decisions. These people are well paid on the websites too because face it, many people don't know how to code their ideas into reality. They have an idea and they pay a lot to make their ideas into reality. Yes, sometimes coding is tedious, but if you know coding, then you're good to go into the freelancing. Coding is also an essential skill because it really helps you in critical thinking and increase your problem solving skills too. So yeah, these were all the skills which were very easy to learn yet gives a very good pay on the freelancing. If you like the video, then please like, share and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any thoughts, comments or any questions, then you can comment them in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to read them and to answer them. Until then, I'll meet you in the next one. Peace.